Let's give this one a recast. Right, Scott, so we're going to try a different bait this time.
We are indeed. We're going to go for these halibut pellets. Let them soaking in this
I can see.
sardine and anchovy sauce.
State of that. What is it? Sardine?
Sardine and anchovy. Really smelly. Nice, isn't it?
Maybe if you was a fish.
Well,
Just the same on the hair again?
Yeah, exactly the same. Just going to stick it on the hair. Everything is supplied. So all you need to do is just turn up and you'll be ready for fishing.
And like you have with me this morning,
Yep.
guides will basically take them to the swim and get them set up, make sure they're comfortable on their first day.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep, indeed.
Point out any sort of areas and leave them to it.
Yeah. And obviously we have a whistle here, so when you have a fish, we come running.
You just blow the whistle.
Blow the whistle and we come running, yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Right, and
Look
that's
at
that.
That looks
Nice and smelly and very hot, sharp hook.
It is a sharp hook, isn't it? Just touched my hand there. Doesn't smell very appetising to me, but I'm sure it does to a fish.
Oh yes, definitely.
Shall we go cast it out?
Yep, excellent.
Now let's put the method on.
Yep.
So this is the method mix.
Yes, indeed.
Now this I could eat. That smells absolutely delicious. What you got in this?
Basically you've got chicken feed,
Yeah.
and you've got trout pellets, and you've got maize.
Right. Okay. And what's all the little black bits? Is that
That's the trout pellets.
That is the trout
That's
pellets,
the trout
is it?
pellets, yeah.
It smells delicious, and you've got this already made up to a nice
Nice
binding consistency.
Yep, indeed.
And this is just a matter of building this up round the lead.
That's it.
Yeah. If I can try and do it myself.
Yep.
How much do you actually put on this?
That'd be enough.
That's enough, is it?
Yeah, it's just trying to get it, make it like almost like a snowball.
Yeah.
Just around the lead.
Something like that?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
That is, yeah, it's fine.
So that just bound on there, so we're going to cast that out into the swim. That's going to hit the bottom, break down, release all that feed, but more importantly release all those smells and scent. Because the water is quite cloudy, so fish, and especially catfish and all these predators, they do rely on smell.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's give this one a cast out then.
Excellent. Perfect.